What's up, guys? Today I want to show you how you can physically play on the Apple Vision Pro. We'll go through a couple of apps, but we'll start with Koala. So check this out. You can walk right up to it and play it like that instead of doing the eye to hand pinch. It's probably better if you open it up, but I'm going to run through a couple of apps to see how accurate it is. And yeah, you can change the size, make it small or, make it bigger. I find it works better the larger you make it. See what I mean? When it's small, sometimes it doesn't pick up. Now let's see how that works in Beatmaker 3. Yeah, and you're able to push any of these buttons and they work pretty well. So it's working pretty good with Koala and Beatmaker 3. Now we have Octachron up with Splattoclat, and we'll give these two a test. Let's put the environment on. Now I'm just going to punch a couple things in the grid quickly to see how accurate and easy it is to control on here. Yeah, so you could pretty much just walk up to it and push whatever you want. You can also just swipe them out and delete them all. Most of these apps are pretty accurate. So if you don't want to sit there and pinch and do this all day, you do have the option to just come in and play with your hands. All right, let's go back to Koala and see how well the grid works on here. And remember, to zoom in, you just use both hands and pull. Let's see how easy it is to grab things on here and move them. So you basically just hold down and grab what you want. Let's put this on free. And slide them over. Not bad at all. This will be a lot of fun using the effects. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys how you can physically come and play your patterns and drums on here instead of using that pinch feature. And it's a lot more fun. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe and that notification bell and have a great day. Peace.